Hey guys, welcome to my video. So guys, this year we are dealing with intense cold. We have seen multiple cold snaps back to back. So once the snow is over and we go into the season of spring, it's very important that we should check for the cracks in our concrete surface, because a lot of us have done too much of a salting, and concrete is something that expands and contracts with temperature. So definitely once all the snow, ice, everything is out, this is time to check, because you don't want damages like this. Here I had filled last year, but I still see some. Here I see the gap is widening, and the reason is obvious. Because of so much of snow accumulation here, probably it's impacting the ground level too. And because of that, if you see such cracks, there's nothing abnormal. And also check your foundation too, there could be some cracks as well. This year it was too bad. This was also filled last year and still it is looking good, but yeah, I'll be able to analyze it completely once snow is gone. So as I said guys, see for this, and if you see any crack, make sure you fill it, otherwise it will lead to anything major. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.